Tēnā koutou e hoa mā, nau mai haere mai ki tēnei Kupu O Te Ra. Our word of the day today is Hongi. You probably all know what a Hongi is. It's the traditional Maori greeting where we press one's nose and forehead together. But do we understand what it really means? So today I'll give my interpretation of how it's been explained to me and how I understand it for me. And then after that I'll invite you guys to submit or just put down in the comments below what the Hongi means to you. Now, how it was explained to me that when we Hongi, it's usually you do it twice. So you bring your forehead and your nose together twice. And the first time is you breathe in the other person's mauri, or their force, their life force. And the second time you breathe back out. So first then you take in the other person's their force, their mauri, and so it creates a unity or a coming together. And then when you breathe it back out, when you press noses the second time, you give back to them your mauri. So it creates like a circle of life kind of thing, like Lion King. But it creates that oneness and unity, or kotahitanga. So that's just my basic understanding of it. Let me know what you think. I've also found this other video on YouTube which gives another interpretation of what it means. So have a look at that, and then once you're finished, just go down below. If you're on Facebook, there should be a space where you can comment, or on YouTube, wherever you're finding this, and put down what the Hongi means to you. Okay, so if I see you today at Kapahaka, remember, give me a Hongi, and that's us for today. Watch out again tomorrow. Sorry for yesterday. I must have some technical difficulties. Didn't go through. So, but watch out for Kupu O Te Ra tomorrow. And that's us. Remember, ka wai whakamā, don't be shy. Use te reo Māori in your conversation today. Mā te wā.